So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Garitech Interior Designs. We introduce you to another house which is so I'll show you some activities which are inside, though there are some unfinished parts. So welcome back. So as we start, here we have the painting is not over yet, but in terms of tiles, door installation and our window panes are done. So example, these first we have our tiles here. Our tiles were nicely constructed by our engineer. As you can see, the tiles are in a very decent manner. They are very visible. They are very nice in terms of visibility. Our walls here, we have some pillars. Though the painting is not yet done over. So we have our walls here. The only part which is done is the undercoat. Though in terms of electricals, everything is done. This is our veranda. This is our front door veranda, as you can see. Our balcony is here. As you can see, there's our bulb. That bulb, let's talk of electrical part, is done as of today. So these are our relaxing areas. You can see we have our socket here. Maybe you are chilling to get your vitamin D outside here in the morning. You can use your socket here, or maybe you are using your laptops, whatever, you can use your socket there in terms of charging your phone and anything else. So our bulb, you can see, this is the switch. This is the switch for our bulb. It is working out. It is of just one color is white. So let me take you inside. That's our veranda, though the painting is not over yet. The only thing done is undercoat. Let me take you inside. Inside here is our corridor. First, before I take you inside, this is our door. Our door is a steel door. It's a very strong one. You can access it when you are inside. You can lock it when you are inside. Or maybe while you are outside, you can also lock it while you are outside. It's very easy to operate. So let me now take you to inside part of this house. So this is our corridor. Our corridor contains one globe. There's a switching mode is here. Is a strapper and at the same time an intermediate. You can switch it off here or on there. Then you move to this other part. You switch it off, or maybe you switch it on from here, or else you can use this part, switch it off here, or switch it on here. So it's a strapper at the same time is an intermediate. That's our corridor. So we get into our sitting room. Our sitting room consists of we only have two lights. It was just a simple wiring, which is just a matter of light and a fan. This light, the main switch is here, and then we have our fan here. Yeah, as you can see. Then we have our walls here. The wall, as I told you earlier, the painting is not yet over yet. Our tiles, in terms of construction, only painting is not yet over yet. The windows were constructed. Everything to do with window is over. We have two windows in this sitting room. Is a wire mesh one, so the mosquitoes cannot get an access to our sitting room or our house. This is a small piece wire mesh which our engineer used to construct here. Then we have the floor. The floor has tiles. The tiles are of the same type of our verandas, as you can see. This floor consists of tiles which are of the same types. Then on behalf of that, we also have our socket here. This socket is for our TV. Is for our TV stand here. As you can see, this one is used while you have your television here. Then this other one you can use in charging your phones. In this down one. So we have another one there. That one there. The other one. Maybe the seats will be arranged in this manner, in the different manner. So when you sit here, you can use this socket instead of those other ones, instead of using the far ones which are on the other side. That other side is only left for television and maybe charging for, maybe if we have no extensions, so we can use these sockets which are easily accessible on this other part. It's a double socket, as you can see, is a double socket. So this sitting room, we combined it with our dining. This other part is our dining. This is the serving window. This serving window, this other part is our kitchen. The kitchen can be, this serving window, the kitchen can be used to serve those people who will be sitting on this other part of our dining. The dining was not divided though, but according to arrangement, or sitting arrangement, it will be divided earlier. So let me take you to our first bedroom. Let me take you to our first bedroom. Our first bedroom is a very simple one. This is our first bedroom. It's a very simple one. It has a fan. It has a fan. The wardrobes are yet to be constructed here. The wardrobes are yet to be constructed here. This place is left for wardrobes. The painting is not yet over yet, but this is our first bedroom. It only have one socket there, and a switch and one fan. As you know, we are in Garissa. In Garissa, the climate without fan, maybe you can't survive in that other part. We avoid diseases by using this fan. So, as I showed you earlier, these windows, they are meant of wire mesh, which the mosquitoes cannot get access to. As you can see, the mosquitoes cannot even get access to. We avoid mosquitoes by, in Garissa we have mosquitoes in just like any other county. So that's our first bedroom. Let me take you to the second bedroom. The second bedroom, and before we get into the second bedroom, we have our exit. Our exit too. We have our exit too. Here we have our balcony. We have our balcony here. We have our light here. At the same time, as I told you earlier, we also have our socket here. This is our socket. We have our security light around here, you can see. This is our security light. The whole house, as I told you earlier, is still painted white. This is the undercoat. The painting is yet to take over as from tomorrow. So this is our security. As I told you, this is our exit. It's just a simple one. Then I take you to our second bedroom. The second bedroom is also a very simple one. We have our fan and our light. At the same time, the tiles which were constructed inside here, they just look the same as the other ones. So this place was left for wardrobes. This place was left for wardrobe, and the windows just resembles the same house. As you can see, as I have just told you, that we have wire mesh which to avoid mosquitoes to interrupt with us during our sleeping nights. So this is our second bedroom. It's a very simple one, just look like the first bedroom. Finally, let me take you to the third bedroom, which is the master bedroom. Don't forget, this is our main switch, our consumer unit. This is our main switch, our consumer unit. Then I'm taking you inside our master bedroom. This is our master bedroom. It has a fan. At the same time, it has a bulb. It has a bulb. The bulb is a strapper to that other far. This bulb is a strapper to that other far. It has two provision of windows of the same type as the sitting room. Then this bedroom consists of a dressing room here. The dressing room has been, you can see this place. This place is left for wardrobes. This is a dressing room. So at the same time, this dressing room has an access to a toilet which is inside a master bedroom. This toilet, the tiles on the walls are different from the tiles on the ground. As you can see, they are creamy tiles, are very smart ones, and our shower is here, and everything is installed. As you can see, we have our toilet here and our Arabic shower around. Everything is around. So this is our simple toilet. This is our simple toilet, and our sink is around here. As you can see, everything is done, and that's our toilet. That's our master bedroom toilet. Now let me take you to finally our kitchen. Our kitchen. This is our kitchen. This is our kitchen. It's a very simple one. The tiles on the walls resembles the tiles, the creamy tiles on the dressing room. As you can see, this is our kitchen, this is our sink, this is our serving table. This is our serving table, then this is our serving window, as you can see. This place is meant for cooker unit. As you can see, this is our cooker socket. This place is meant for cooker unit, and our cooker connector is down here. So this part is left for our cooker, as you can see. Then this other part is left for our fridge. This other part is left for our fridge. So our fellow viewers, as you can see, the only thing left here is painting. The painting, as soon as the painting is done, we'll introduce you to a fully focused house, which is a very beautiful one, a very simple one. Finally, I thank you guys. I may like to tell you that if you can subscribe to our channel, you can add our views to our channel. We might give a lot of our thanks, guys. So thank you for your time. Thank you.
So guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. This is Gary Tech. So guys, we have this toured this is a 3-bedroom house. Like you can see, we have toured it. It's with a small kitchen, even though it's quite enough for this room, and then it has a beautiful sitting room. So guys, we are road to 2,000 subscribers, guys. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe. Let's meet on next video.